Hi, this is Andrew, and today we're going to take a little break from technology and gadgets to talk about keys, and in particular keys and I guess cylinders from Mila. Now, these are quite common. You will find them in back doors and front doors, and usually they do come with a good number of spares that you can give out to your children and your relatives or anybody you want to pop into the house. But if, like me, you've tried to get one of these cut, you might find that you've had a bit of difficulty. I've had keys cut from local locksmiths using blanks from both Silica and JMA, and I've really found that these just don't work. You get home, you can't, the door just won't open. Sometimes you get it to open with a bit of jiggling, but it's really very unsatisfactory, and it's certainly not something you'd want to rely on. Now, I don't know why it is. I've used those two blanks plus a couple of others. And looking at the keys, the cut is good. The shape of the metal seems to be very similar. But the only solution I found is actually to get a blank from a reputable source. I've got these, I say reputable, I got them on eBay, and I've taken these down to my local key cutters, and they have made a copy of my key using these blanks, and they work. So if you're like me and you are having difficulty with getting Mila keys cut, do just go ahead and get a blank. They're not that expensive, and take it down to your local key cutters, and I'm pretty confident that will work for you. As I said, the other ones didn't work for me, but this did, so I'd very much recommend taking that path. Look, that's it. Nothing fantastic, no gadgets, no technology here today, but hopefully that helps somebody out there who's in the same situation that I am.